by calling
What's up,
1-866-333.
Team Cookies? It's your girl, Ashanti.
The city of St. Louis is taking a step back when it comes to the minimum wage. 2 months ago, St. Louis
And this is my sister. She just woke up. Like, for real. This is my brother, Donovan. He's crazy. And this is my other brother, Daenerys, with the buck-tooth beaver teeth. Okay. And I'm Ashanti, and I'm gonna tell y'all. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a prank on my brothers. I'm gonna say I'm sick. I'll be sneezing on everybody. I'm like, achoo, achoo, achoo. It's gonna be so lit. So I gotta make myself sick. Achoo. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Now here we go. Let's get it. Let's go. Vote for team Ashanti. So tell them a little bit about yourself, Daenerys.
Huh?
Tell them a bit about yourself. Achoo! I'm a bad kid. Achoo!
And she keep on sneezing at me.
Achoo!
And tell her that.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to her. I'm gonna talk to her later. Okay, so tell them about yourself, Donovan. Tell them about yourself.
No.
Tell now. Ooh, sorry.
Yes, good job, girl. You got dragged by a 12-year-old.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just sneezed.
Hey, come through real quick.
This is my little sister Dream. Tell them about yourself. Tell them what you're doing. Ooh, I'm sorry.
I'm in a cereal.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sneezing. That was prank 1. And tomorrow we're going to be back with prank 2. So I'm going to tell them it's a prank. I'm going to show them in your face. Oh, shh. You took this for Granny House?
No, Batman did.
It's a prank.
No, you was videotaping?